What up, people? Albert Hatfield here at 5950 Wraps, coming to you live from South Florida. We are wrapping this 458 challenge car. You see it is a full-blown race car, totally uncomfortable looking, but that can save your life. Not as important as the wrap though. The wrap will make you look good even if you hit the wall, and it might hold the pieces together. So my job here is to make it wrapped and look like new. The car itself had been primered, looked like crap. You see we have it completely taken apart, thanks to my boy Derek for doing all that. He's the Ferrari tech, knows what he's doing. I'll go in and take them apart, but I don't know what I'm doing, so it's always nice to have a pro. Give you a look at some of the damage. The rear fender that I have done already was completely primered, looked like crap. Now you can see it. Got it all sanded, smoothed out. It looks beautiful with the Avery satin black on there. Make Batman jealous. So check us out as we go along. We're gonna get this track ready, back together, fully wrapped, and looking good by Friday. Has to be at the track. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, like 2 or something. I don't know. I'm hungry, so it's got to be after dinner, lunch. But that's our goal. So follow us along. If you have any questions, hit us up. If you want to see anything particularly wrapped, or if you have any questions on why I do what I do, I'll give you the number of my shrink. He'll be able to help you out. Peace out.